In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to a Canva website. Adding audio can be a fantastic way to enhance your website's user experience, making it more engaging and uniquely yours. Whether it's background music, a podcast snippet, or even a voiceover, incorporating audio can help convey your message more effectively. Let's dive into the process of doing just that. First, you'll want to have your audio file ready, so ensure that it's saved on your device in a commonly supported format, such as MP3 or WAV. Starting with a clear and high-quality audio file is key to ensuring your visitors have a great listening experience. Once your file is ready, log into your Canva account and open the website project to which you wish to add the audio. After opening your project, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you will see the Uploads section. Go ahead and click on this option, and you'll be presented with a few choices. You should see a button labeled Upload Files. Click this, and then choose the audio file from your device. Be patient as it uploads depending on the size of your file. This may take a few moments. With your audio file now uploaded, you'll need to decide where you want to place it on your site. To do this conveniently, navigate to the page where you'd like the audio to be featured. In case you're designing multiple pages, remember that consistent audio placement can guide users smoothly through your website. Once you've chosen the perfect spot, drag the audio file from the Upload section directly onto your desired page. The great thing about Canva is its flexibility with design elements, including audio. When you drag the audio file onto your page, Canva will automatically create an audio player, providing a neat and professional touch. Take a moment to test the placement and the design surrounding the player. Does it fit well with the rest of your content? Is it easily accessible, yet not overly obtrusive? Customizing your audio player's size and position can ensure it complements your overall design rather than detracting from other elements. Next up, ensure your audio file plays exactly when and how you want it to. To fine-tune these details, click on the audio player icon that has appeared on your page, and look for the toolbar options at the top. Ensure that it is set to appropriate settings such as autoplay, loop, or providing start and stop controls based on the kind of experience you wish to deliver. Finally, double-check your entire page to make sure everything is polished. Preview your Canva website to test how the audio sounds in relation to other elements. Listen to how it integrates as users navigate through your site in real time. Fine-tuning now can prevent any jarring experiences for new visitors. Be sure to save your changes frequently throughout this process. And there you have it, you've successfully added audio to your Canva website. By following these steps, you can give your website a more dynamic edge, capturing the attention of your audience from the moment they arrive. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.